Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, X, or Kick Chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Uncle Bark, SW, Second Banky, Bear Goes Long, Bob, More MV1, J Proud, Cyrus, Travis, In Error, Scott Martin, Zona, Matt, G Jones, Jenick, National. Good morning, everybody. Market's coming down a little bit. Microsoft's starting to fade some. Things are happening. I wonder if we can actually like break below these lows and like hold below these lows. Because like S&P has kind of a chance if it breaks, but it could easily just bounce here. But if it snaps these lows, you know, I think we have much more room to the downside. Crack through that previous day mid, maybe. We'll see. It's shooting for it. Can it break it? Got Google at the VWAP there. It's trying. So we refresh liquidity down there below the previous day mid. Let's see if it has the energy and momentum to continue that break lower. 6650 would be a lovely area. At 55 now. Take that off. 10 grand. Whatever. I wanted more. I wanted that. I wanted a way bigger flush. Whatever. It's fine. Whatever, dude. I wanted more, dude, and they didn't want. I'm not gonna push there. That's a worse spot to sell. I'm not gonna push there. Fuckers. Whatever, dude. There's a lot of people buying down here too, which is annoying. Like, just get out of the way, dude. Music is good today. Bah! Yeah, they're still selling this. I wanted them to slam it down to 6650. Like, if we start making those moves in the order flow, I can slam with them, but nah, there's too many people buying here. I don't think today is going to give us a lot of clean opportunities. There's a lot of disagreement. Like, there's so many people that are posting on Twitter like, oh, the SPX can't have this many down days in a row. Like, shut the fuck up. Fucking retards. The market can do whatever the fuck it wants. Not because the market has this statistical thing where just shut the fuck up. Like, Jesus Christ, these fucking people are so retarded. Yeah, every fund manager is out there being like, oh my God, guys, check this out. SPX can't have more than 5 down days in a row. Fuck, stop selling. Everybody stop. They're special retarded though. Thank God they're here. We broke without them. Ging, 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 ging. The more we challenge this previous day mid and reject, the weaker it's gonna be, so. On the Mag 7 you monitor, you have VWAP, EMAs, just EMAs and VWAP. That's it. You could zoom in on that picture that I post on Instagram. If you want me to post it again, I will. I'm just waiting to see if there's any... There's just no follow-up here. Kind of annoying. Rips, what did you take that trade off? What do you mean? Wait, what? What did you take that trade off? What do you mean, what? How? Sick of this trash market? What are you talking about? Are you talking about today? Like this chop up here? Or what are we talking about? What trash market? I love this market. I mean, it's not for everybody. I love it though. It's moving a lot. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, moved against me a lot. Do the opposite of what you normally do. Maybe try that. And I'm not even trolling. Like, do the opposite of what you normally do. If you're like, oh, I usually take a long here, just short it. And if you're like, I usually short it here, buy it. I'm not even joking. Like, seriously, try that. See what happens. Like, just do that all today. What caused the 8 a.m. dump? I mean, it's barely a dump. It's just movement. A 40 handle. What's up, Ferrari Phil? Yeah, man. Just, I'm being serious though. Like, if you're like, you have the inclination of like, oh man, I usually long it here, short it. You think news is high impact today? Not really, no. It's nice having Cloudflare working again. We all forgot about that already, right? S&P is still heavy. Microsoft is kind of leading the charge to the downside here. So, and that's really kind of the only one that's super selling. You can see, like, dude, on these little flushes though, there's people that are seriously buying this. So it's like, it's not like easy to get through these levels because there's not a lot of super sellers yet. Like crazy aggressive sellers. So yeah, it was a nice little pitch and catch, but again, like I don't want to get into this area where we've identified that we have a lot of strong buyers. I want to get in an area where we show weakness. And right now, Microsoft is the only thing carrying it. If we get a bounce out of Microsoft, this thing will reject right away. That's all. We're now down to 66.50, which was my original target, but we just completely stopped on the way down there. You see, like these bounces threaten the trade idea for at least the momentum style that I trade. Like you see how big these players are right here? That threatens the trade idea for me. You can see they keep showing up. Like they're iceberging. It's just, I want a cleaner move, you know? If we break through 66.50, they can evaporate, but we're already so far down. That's all. Best of luck, everyone. I'm tilted. It won't reset today. Sorry, buddy. Maybe take the rest of the week off. It's Wednesday. Take Thursday, Friday off, you know? Could change your perspective on things. Still a lot of people buying this. Crazy. We're at 66.50 right now. So rejection at the previous day mid. I'm bringing this down a little bit. In the way of props today, we have two things to talk about. Number one, Apex, their sale is working now. Their website's working. And then also Tradeify, we're going to take a payout at the bottom of the hour and see how long it takes Tradeify from the moment we click payout to the moment we get money actually in our bank account. We're not going to time it from clicking the button to rise. We're going to click it and then we're going to time it from money to bank account. So I'm curious. Let's bet on it. Good idea. How long for Tradeify payout to hit bank account? Okay, there we go. There's your prediction. See, look, I look away. This is what I was nervous about, right? See, I look away and it's just like, there's just so many people positioning themselves. It just doesn't, it's not my type of trade, you know? Like, I didn't expect that to roll like that, but it's also like caution flag is out, right? How long have you been trading for? 12 years. When are you jumping of TTV again? I don't know. When are you jumping of TTV? I don't know what that means. About to dump and bust through pre-market lows. If only it was that easy, right? I wish. There's too many things kind of in the way right now. Brother, you need a cup of coffee over there. Dude, this is the only stream I've been on that has ads, LOL. Because you're not watching in Kick, you dingus. You're watching on YouTube. Special, special, special. Absolutely special. Mind-blowing, to be honest. Don't be a dick. Here, fuck you, dude. Get the fuck out of here, you fucking clown. Shut the fuck up. Don't tell me what the fuck to do. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck you. Fuck off. I don't want you here. How about that? Get the fuck out of here, you fucking loser. Get the fuck out. I don't fucking want you here. Suck my fucking dick, you fat, stupid bitch. Oh, God. Get the fuck out of here. You assume that I want you here, you dumb bitch. Anybody who doesn't say stupid shit, I'm happy for you to be here, but when you talk like that shit, like, shut the fuck up. Yeah, get the fuck out of here. Let's see. We have news finally at the bottom of the hour. So, what do we have? I think trade balance. Let me see what we have. Oh, but no. Housing starts, building permits. Why? Maybe the August trade report. Maybe. By the way, look at this tape right now. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, the guy who's in chat, he's like, hey, we're gonna short down to XYZ. I wish it was like that, man. Make trillions of dollars. What happened to bleeping? So if you've been subscribed to the stream for longer than 60 days, the AI bleeping is turned off. So you must have been here for longer than 60 days. It's crazy. Downside target around 25. I mean, it's a long ways away now. 50 points away now. Name the indicator on TradingView. Spaceman BTC. You were digging the no news during the shutdown? Why, dude? We get volatility from the news. I love it. What's your normal visible range on the volume profile? Whatever section of the market I'm trading, like, this makes sense to me right now. But, you know, pre-market yesterday. Makes a lot of sense. ICT traders called tape reading just looking at candlesticks. It's true. It's crazy now. Whatever works for you, man. You know, do whatever works for you. Has the U.S. government reopened? It has. Yes. Wow, everybody's voting under 25 minutes. This is insane. I hope you guys win. Dude, the over 25-minute crowd is, what is this gonna pay? Dude, 7 to 1. Wait, no, 17 to 1. Holy shit, those are good odds. 17 to 1. That's insane. That's actually pretty good odds. If you like wanted to bet like 1,000, you get 17,000 points. I don't remember what it was exactly last time. I want to say it was under 25 minutes, but I don't remember now. So news is coming out in about 10 minutes, caution flag out, but it's not super high impact news. Keep that in mind. The biggest news of today is two different things. Number one, at 1 p.m., we're going to get a 20-year bond auction out of the Treasury, which is important. And then at 2 p.m., we're going to get the FOMC meeting minutes. I don't expect anything to come from those that we don't already know. So take that as you will. I really don't. I expect nothing. Naruto says, I love it when you let these idiots have it. You might be the best trader on YouTube. They don't get it. I mean, dude, I just show up and do my thing. I let the results speak for itself. Take it or leave it. It's all free. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's mind-blowing to me, but I'm in the driver's seat, so I don't know. I wish there was me around when I first started trading. I don't know, but that's just me. I just show up every day, do this for free. That's it, man. Coming back down here. Do that, yeah. I love that. Dead cat. Can't stand when someone comes to your house and says shit's over. Yeah, I mean, whatever, man. Some people are weird, dude. Like, dude, like yesterday, like even getting like weirdos on X, like because I don't show my entry. I'm trading in hindsight. And then it's like, bro, or, you know, you can go watch the VOD yesterday. You can watch the VOD yesterday of somebody trading $1 million account and actively making $70,000 in the futures market for free. Like, dude, they're like, I remember back in the day, like paid mentorship groups where it's like, just for that VOD, you'd have to pay like $2,500 worth of access. And it's like, okay, like, okay, sure, man. Like, okay, sounds good. It's so funny, dude. You used to show your entry. I'd show it when I'm trading props. When I'm trading a multi-million-dollar account, or $1 million account in this case, $1.3 million in the account, I'm not gonna do it. I'm trading real money. I'm trading size. I'm just not gonna do it. But I'll talk through the trade, you know? Remember, this is free. If you don't like what I'm doing, take your thumb, shove it up your fucking ass, and shut the fuck up and leave. Right? Seriously. I'm not gonna change anything I'm doing. Do you have any mentorship or classes? You're in it, buddy. You are in it right now. 100% you're in it. That's what your ex said. With Bookmap Global, do you have live market data, or do you need any kind of connection? You have to pay for it, Ron. I have all of the connections. I have DX feed, Bookmap data, and Rhythmic. And by the way, if you're looking to like copy trade somebody, I don't think you're gonna learn much from that. But again, do whatever you want. What do I know? Dude, Nick, I love you. Nick for a tick. We're the 2 voters in there. We're the majority right now. Let's go, baby. Tell me National's getting in there. Oh. I do think Rips will smash 1 mil only in November. I don't know, man. I think we're at like 450 or something now. With the 10 on top. With the 10s on top and the 50s on the bottom. We are at 437 right now. So. I do want to give some giveaways away today, too, by the way. Richard Harris with an entry long at 66.51. Way to go, baby. Very nice. I don't like what's going on down here. I think we're just in a holding pattern until news. I don't really want to scalp in a 20 handle range. Okay, so it is the August trade balance that is coming out. We didn't know when it was coming out, but it's absolutely coming out of the bottom out of the hour. I don't know if we'll get housing starts and building permits. Not sure. We should, but we'll see. Today, Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday. Does any of this old data matter since it's November? I don't know when the trade balance is from. I think it might be if it's preliminary November numbers, then maybe. I don't know what it's going to be though. I'm just as clueless as the next guy. We'll find out though. See if there's anything to trade. I'm not going to trade the print. I might trade the afterglow of it, but yeah, we'll see. What's the best way for a newcomer to scale, like every 1 or 2K profit, scale one No. Scale 5% of your size every 2 weeks that you're profitable. Scale 5% of your size. What's up, Chowdy? How are you, baby? Let me see that. I missed that question. Rhythmic versus DX if you had to choose one for bookmap. Rhythmic. DX feed is good, but Rhythmic I think is better. I'd say Rhythmic first. It's like a tied for first, but Rhythmic slightly better than DX feed, and then Bookmap in a far third because I don't know what happened, but maybe since the last update it's better, but I'm not gonna risk it off the open in case I need to see something. It costs me money. I know that Rhythmic works every time, DX feed works every time off the open, so I'm not gonna piss away money being like, let me see, unless it's like an open that I'm absolutely not gonna trade, but I haven't had that yet. What's up, Zen Scalper? It is 8:28 right now, so we could do another YouTube open if you guys want to. I don't know. Yesterday was kind of special because we had most of the kicksters in there, but if you want to see the open again on YouTube, we took a trade off the open where we made like $26,000 yesterday. So if you want to see that, just click the like button on YouTube. We'll stay live on YouTube, but if not, then whatever. What's up, Sarl? All right, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's see. I have no expectations for this whatsoever, but I'd love to see the market jostle around from this. Zero expectations, no trades are on. For days like today, if you have a small account, how would you leverage a trade when it has crazy whiplash like it did? Just not take it. Wait for a better setup. Wait for the open. Wait for, you know, if data is going to give us displacement in the order flow. Right now, we had displacement below the previous day mid. We found some buyers underneath, but at the same time, I can say it looks like we have some overhead supply coming in. But I want to see what happens after this print. That's why I'm not in a trade right now. Nothing to my liking. I'm not even interested in scalping 10 points on this. I want the easy setup. This goes back to the whole thing, like, why do you wait around all day? I'd rather have a 3-inch putt than a 3-yard putt. Make it easy, tap it in. What's up, Brian? As a trader, was the one thing you struggled with in the beginning? Not having patience, trying to be a trillionaire straight out the gates. Trade balance is in line. Meh. It was negative 60 billion. Expectation came out negative 59.6 billion. So it's the same thing. Same thing. We did not get housing data, so no housing starts or building permits. Oh, by the way, for my yeeters out there, we're doing the raffle today. We're going to do 40 winners of $50 tickets. But yeah, not having patience, dude. And like frustrating, like when you have like big trades. I was trading, when I first started trading, I was trading decent size. Like, you know, my very first like big winning trade was like 30 or 60K. And it was like in the first week of me trading. So that didn't help. And so I was like always gunning for like, oh, it's just gonna make 30, 60K every single time. I want to say it was like 30K. But like, I can't remember. It was either 30 or 60,000. J-Nug or J-Dust is one of the two. And that kind of ruined me because I was like, oh, I just need to push for that every time. And then that's not realistic, especially when you first start. Remember, SW's doing his class today. Give you the conviction to take that straight. Did you see sellers on Bookmap? That and like the break of the lower structure that we're looking at. Like this is juicing right now. Coming right back to that 4-hour open. Definitely squeezing all these players that went short. We're right back to where the short opened up, really. How'd you overcome that issue? This is my 12th year of trading. It just kind of naturally happens over time. Losing a lot of money will help too. Is Apex website still down? No way. Is it actually, dude? Because I just said like it was back up. Let me see. I don't know how they're still affected when Cloudflare's all fixed. Might be, man. Super annoying, huh? They run the best sale of the year and then it's like, just kidding. You can't use our website. Nice, guys. Good job. It's like the only website that's not working right now on the whole internet, too. Nice work, more MV1. That last contract was that was the doozy. Actually, dude, the whole fucking trade. Nicely done, man. Good read, dog. Look at you. Only thing I would say is let it breathe when it was extending. Just let it breathe. Like a nice bottle of Opus One. Oh my God, look at this thing coming right back down. Holy. Meat spin not work. I remember doing that for people. Meat spin, tub girl, lemon party, all the good ones. Goatsy, yeah. Goatsy wasn't as good. Lemon party, tub girl, and meat spin were the best. Never watched Two Girls, One Cup, man. I refused. I don't want that in my brain at all. Like, you know, like your mind will, you see something one time, it's gonna burn it in your brain. Refuse to watch that, bro. Never, ever, ever gonna watch that. No, thank you. Nah, Blue Waffle, you send people to Google that, but yeah, it's not as impactful, I don't think. Yeah, I'm never gonna watch it, dude, ever. Not a shot, dude. I'm not having that image in my brain. I'm gonna die without that one. Don't know what glass jar is, don't want to. I don't know the char one, dude. I probably don't know. I probably don't want to know these ones. I told you the ones I know. That's it for me. That's where I drew my limits. No, I'm good. Watch NQ last night? I mean, I was sleeping. This market looks like it's gonna fuck a lot of people today, though. All right, should we request our Tradify payout so we can move on to the gambles and all that? I think we should. I think we should. Let's do it. Apex is working again, but it's very slow. Their site is extremely slow. Ding, 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 ding. Alrighty, righty. So, go over here. Go over here. So these are my 150K Lightning funded accounts that I've literally barely traded. I mean, you've seen me on stream with these things, barely trading them. So, should we start the timer now or the moment that I request the 5th payout? That's what I think I'm gonna do. All right, let's do this. 3,000, right? Okay. 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 I hope I'm not doing, wait, 3,000. I was like, it's not supposed to be 5,000, right? I don't have 5,000 take out. All right, cool. I'm gonna start the timer right now. Here we go. Timer is starting. And it's from the moment it hits my bank account. So stopwatch is on now, as you can see. Stopwatch is on. Let's find out. Let's see how dope Tradify really is, huh? Let's see. What do you guys think? Do you think they're gonna do it again? You just never know, right? You just never know. Did Tradify change rules on allowing withdrawal into buffer? Huh? The fuck? Talking about? Into buffer? How am I in the buffer? My balance is 161 G's, player. The fuck am I in the buffer? So you remember the first payout, I made $9,000, right? Look here, let me just show you the table. Just check it out. I actually had somebody who questioned this earlier. Okay. So account size is 150K. Payout one profit goal is $9,000. You can take $3,000 from that payout. Payout two is profit goal of $4,500. Take 3,000 out. I think it's after three payouts, right? That you can then, it's $3,000 a payout times 5 is 15,000. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I don't really understand these things. Okay, Payify, it's approved. Okay, so we got approved. Let me see. We are officially approved. We're 1 minute and 45 seconds in. We got approved. Okay, let's see. Rise. Is it Rise or Wise? I never remember. Wise? What the fuck is it? Is it Rise? Okay, it's Rise. Okay. Let's see. Rise. Like the phoenix from the ashes, baby. All right, let's see. My balance is $300 because I got the that Tradify Grand Cup thing. So you can see my balance before. All right, there's my balance of $300. $300 hairs, baby. Let's see how long this takes. We are 2 minutes and 33 seconds in. Is Apex $40 activation or $140? It's the cheapest it's ever been. And it says right here as it's scrolling right across the screen, Apex 80% off. And look at that, $40 PA fee. Wow. Is flooding as bad as the news is saying here? I'm not in Las Vegas City. I'm in the outskirts. $40. I like how you asked again, just to make sure. It's the number that is right there. Hold on. Maybe if I blur my eyes, it looks like 140. Nope, still looks like 40. Does Apex still have a monthly fee after passing? No. It's $40 lifetime, one fee. That's it. Because I can't believe it's not butter. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. $40, dude. It's insane. So you can literally get a 20 pack for $8. In the words of Lil Wayne. $8. All right. We are 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Remember, it's over under 25 minutes for it to hit my bank account. We have not hit Rise yet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm refreshing my balance on Rise. Still 300. Wasted 2K on TPT this week? What do you mean you wasted 2K on TPT? What was the waste? TPT is great too. It was 300 for the 250K accounts, $40. Wow, use Rips' code, buy 20 accounts. Use whatever you want. If you want to support me, great. If you don't, great. It's all good, baby. We'll still do this for free. Started watching MC webinars just last night. Huge benefit for me as a new trader. How long ago did you do them? Any new ones coming? Definitely not any new ones coming anytime soon. I think like 2 or 3 years ago. It was a long time ago. Any Tradeify backend workers in chat to hold up that West? You bet the under or the over 25 minutes. You have any account on TPT? No, I do not. But I can try it. But I mean, when am I going to trade it? You know, the fact that I've even been able to trade Tradeify is a miracle. But the market's been good. I've literally traded these accounts, as you know, like very sparingly. Like I've just been like, let me try to trade here. Beep boop, and it's done. And that's not bad. 30K for 4 weeks of beep boop, not really caring is cool. So it's worth my time. Treasury update, that's not important. How do we get to Clubhouse? You're here, buddy. You don't have to do anything. It's free. You're already in it. Wish we get a breakout right now. I mean, we're getting a breakdown. Still $300 in Rise, dude. Uh-oh. We are 5 minutes and 45 seconds into this. Trouble, trouble. Set of side pieces, you got side accounts. I like that. Not wrong. What you gonna do with all that cash? I mean, put it in a money market account and not think about it. Or buy a... I don't know. I don't really want anything. I thought someone just said there was a webinar for Clubhouse last night. I think they're lying about it. So they're probably just making things up. You're in here though. It's free. Nothing wrong with that, right? What's up, Stevie J? What's your average contract size? Depends on the setup. Do I add while trading? Yes. I add in the winners. Activated a new one this morning for $40. There you go, baby. The sale ends on Apex on the 21st, I believe. If that sounds right. 24th. Right? I gotta look. 24th. There we go. Still Rise at $300 right now. I think the unders are gonna win. We'll see. I'm refreshing Rise right now. Wait. Oh. Well, that's terrible news for anybody who bet the... There you go. 13.8 now. Remember, it's 13.5 because they take their cut. So now... Wait, how do I withdraw? Okay, let me do the withdrawal. So that was 7 minutes and 37 seconds. Come on, Rise, load. We got things to do here. This is why I say Tradeify has the fastest payouts in the game. It's actually insane. Okay, so here, let's do this. It's okay that the last 4 digits of my bank account is shown. Don't really care. Okay, so maximum withdrawal, confirm, security key, bing bong. There we go. Processing. Success. Okay. We are now officially 8 minutes and 20 seconds into since we have requested. Now I'm going to bring up my bank account and see how long this takes. 8 minutes and 30 seconds since we hit the button to request a payout. If this isn't mind-blowing to you, I mean, this is, for me, this is mind-blowing. Like, that's insane. It's insane, dude. It's insane. And remember, barely trading these accounts. And this is payout number 2. So I've been paid $27,000. Let's see. Is it pending? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. She ain't pending yet. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Let's see. I'm just gonna keep on refreshing this thing. 9 minutes 45 seconds into this. Margaret is still dancing around here. We'll go back to Bookmap. Liking Lucid so far. I tried my first eval yesterday. I'm already trading on the Lucid Pro today. I like the instant activation from eval and funded. Nice. Never used them before. Thank you, Algo Strap. Appreciate you. So 8.5 minutes from clicking the click payout button to rise. Like, that's insane. So 8 minutes 30 seconds. Let's see if the bank account thing will happen. I mean, ACHs should be working, right? By the way, did you guys hear that Tradeify is taking away their advanced plan? And you know why, right? Because winter is coming. And maybe something new is coming. Maybe something new is coming. What do you guys think it is? What y'all think it is? Banks are closed. We'll find out. I'm just refreshing over here. One-day payouts. Phase 2? I don't know. I think it's going to be something extraordinary. I really do. Yeah, I don't know what it's going to be. I have no idea. I couldn't even begin to tell you. Daily payout straight to live. Wait, withdrawal is being processed. Okay. Does that mean it's in? Rise just sent me an email. There it is. Boom. Done. All right. There we go. 12 minutes exactly. 12 minutes. 12 minutes, baby. 12 minutes, dude. There. Holy. I just got to block out this information. But. Boom. There you go. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Time to pay out the people who bet under 25 minutes. Remember, this was from clicking the button to request a payout from Tradeify's interface. It got to rise within 8.5 minutes, and then it hit my bank account in 3.5 minutes later. Find me another prop that's doing that. That's why Tradeify is insane. And these were 5 Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. 5 150K Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. And this is my second payout. Total payouts, $27,000 in less than 5 weeks. Pretty insane. Especially for accounts that I'm barely trading. Right? Wait, can we see that on the stream? I don't know if that was showing or not. Yeah, it was. Okay. Cool, huh? Sweet. That's a good way to start my morning. That's money I didn't have a moment ago. That's money I didn't have 12 minutes ago. That's cool. All right, let me pay out the channel gambles, and then we'll do a points gamble on the NASDAQers. Under 25 minutes wins. There you go. Congrats. 1.2 to 1. All right, let's do it. Let's see. Let's do a 905 gamble on kick here. 905. Why are you barely trading them? All of my focus has been on this thing. This silly little account over here. This is a new prop I've been trading, Get Touched. It's called AMP Futures. So that is where my focus has been. Let's do this. 6. Yeah, let's do that. Give you 5 minutes here. I mean, that's kind of close. I'll give you 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. There you go. 1 minute for your channel gambles. But yeah, barely even trading it. And $27,000 in payouts. Barely trading it. That's the cool part. Like, barely even paying attention to it. I mean, the profit target on that is like, I think, what is my daily profit target? Like $1,100? So, like, just barely, like, in the NQ, $1,100 is not that much. Anybody know the perks of Tradeify? Straight to funded accounts, request a payout, let it hit your bank within 12 minutes. The pricing is good. You can trade on Tradeivate Prop, Ninja Trader. I mean, that's all your trades counting is kind of one of the reasons why I use them personally. I'm not big on like the evaluation step because it's just annoying, you know? Can you trade on Tradeivate? Yes. Tradeivate, Ninja Trader. I think some other ones too. Trailing loss, I think isn't it like 3,000 something? And then once you get over the buffer, it's like 6,000, I think. You only trade in the mornings or you trade all day? Yesterday, I traded about an hour into the session. You can go back and watch yesterday's VOD on Kick for free. And you can watch how I navigated the markets to make $70,000 in a real account. There you go. End of day trailing loss. Yeah, there's no intraday trailing. No, it's end of day. No intraday. End of day, baby. End of day. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. You just got paid on Rise. Nice. Getting one right now as we speak with your code Riz. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Trade already? Yeah. Yeah. If you show up late, you miss it. Which trade copy you recommend for futures? So on those Tradeify accounts, I was using Project X, but I believe that Project X support is going away in February, so that won't be an option for Tradeify at that time. I think. I don't know. I'm just going off of what the information is that's posted on the internet. So you can use Tradeivate's built-in trade copier. That's what I would recommend. Rips, I want to purchase some Apex since website works. Your thought on 300K account since it's the same price as 150K. You just have to make more profit, and you're going to have to deal with that trailing drawdown for a little bit longer. But you get a lot more room for activities. So if you're trying to trade more size, then go for it. I think the 50Ks are kind of the sweet spot for most people. 300Ks, you have to make 20K to pass, I believe. And that can be a tall order for a lot of people. Whereas the 50Ks, I think you only have to make 3K. And that's not that hard to do. Or I never want to say that. It's always hard. Trading's always hard. So everybody's mileage is going to vary. You trade which straight to funded account size? 150K Lightning funded accounts. Because you could take $3,000 from each account it's $15,000 a payout minus their cut of $1,500. It works out to be $13,500 per payout. Can you request payout same day at end of 4 p.m. trading day? Yeah, so yesterday I crossed over on the line. I could have requested the payout yesterday, but I wanted to do it live on stream and really see what because I don't think we timed it properly last time. So now we know Tradeify from request to actually hitting your bank account is 12 minutes. 12 minutes. That's freaking cool. What's the 20% consistency? So if you're trading the 150K accounts, your profit target is 9,000. It's a 25% consistency rule. So take 9,000 divided by 4. And that's the most profit that you can make in a single trading day. I'm pretty sure it's 25%. Am I wrong on that? Isn't it 25%? Oh, now it's 30%. Oh, nice. I got way more room for activities now. Holy. So payout 3 have a 30% consistency? Oh, so it goes 20%, then 25%, now 30%. Oh, that's cool. See the things we learned together on this stream. Isn't it wonderful? So yeah, just divide by 20 times 0.2. Divide by 5. There you go. So now, this is my third payout. My consistency is 30%. So technically now I can make $13.50 a day. So I'm going to change that in my Project X settings to personal daily profit target is $13.50. Sweet. That's awesome. So I can get a payout in 4 trading days from now, including today. How about them apples? What did I say? $13.50, right? Was it 4,500 times 0.3? $13.50. Cool. And again, I'm not going to like make this my primary focus. I'll trade these whatever. My primary focus for good trades is trading my AMP account. So the next payout, let me see like when they actually start changing things. I got to see this. Wait, hold on. Okay, 4,500 still. Okay. Still 3,000, but the fourth payout and beyond is $3,500 per payout. So on my fourth payout, if I get there, no promises, I can request a payout for $17,500. Whoa, buddy. Look the fuck out. So that's cool. That's awesome. I didn't know it scaled the consistency. That's dope. 20 to 25 to 30. That's cool. See the things we learn together on this lovely stream. It's so fun. Riffs, you have a code for the fib in AMP. What's the fib? Fib, F-I-B. Like introducing broker? No. I don't have my Series 3, so. Yeah, no, I don't have my Series 3, so I can't be an IB for AMP. I don't know if I'd want to be even. So no. I trade them because I like them, not because I get paid by them or something. They pay me, but because of my hard work trading these markets. That's it. Markets are coming down here. Breaking out of the consolidation, going down a whole 15 handles there. Crazy. Trash market this morning. Hey, you know what? Your trash might be somebody else's treasure. You just never know. 3 minutes from the top of the hour, 2 minutes from the top of the hour, we will see some activity, I think. Why not try TPT after 5 days, daily payouts and 10x, 10K max withdrawal? I mean, maybe we will. I just like these Tradeify accounts for the time being. The thing I don't like about TPT personally is the trailing drawdown thing. So, I just like these, man. It's free money, really. Free money. Feels like it. I've never used Funded Next, ever. I have no comment on Funded Next. Never use them. Do you trade it? Yes. When the NQ is very thin, yes. So like when we had the April tariff stuff going on, March, April, I think it was very thin in NQ, very dangerous. And my account wasn't as big as it was, or big as it is now. So I don't remember what my account said. I think maybe like 300 or 400K at the time. I don't remember. Goldfish memory, baby. Rips, there's 13.5 found it on the ground. Can you pick that up? I just did, Tim. It's already in my bank account. TPT just changed to end of day drawdown for new accounts. No. When you get to the Pro, it's trailing drawdown, and then once you get to the Pro Plus, then it goes away. The Pro Plus is just like what? If I want to trade an account, I'm trading my real account. You know what I mean? Like, why am I going to give TPT a cut if I'm like trading a serious, you know? Sign up for some Tradeify accounts using your code. Thanks, man. Gonna get some payouts. Let's go, baby. Hell yeah. Once you're above the buffer in the Pro, it always goes away. Yeah, I know. Dude, look, I'm not a big prop guy, right? I trade what I can to show the community things, and that's it. I had these Tradeify accounts because I got them during like the whole Grand Cup thing, and then just been trading them barely, and we got 2 payouts. I'm not like, I don't wake up and I'm like, here we go, let's trade my prop accounts. No, I'm like, here we go, let's trade the AMP account. Let's trade my real account. Apex is still having Cloudflare issues. I can't believe that's like, what is going on? Why are they having Cloudflare issues? It's so weird. It's very strange that they're having issues. But when they stop having issues, I think it's worth picking up some Apex accounts, if that's your style. They're the only company out there. Like, dude, the reason why my payouts are so sweet with Tradeify is because I'm trading 5 accounts. If I was trading 1 account, I'm just being real with you, I really wouldn't care. 3K, whatever, who gives a shit, you know, 2,700, whatever, you know, to multiply it by 5 and only trade 1 account, right? Trade 1 account, it copies all my other trades flawlessly. That's why it's worth it for me and worth my time for the little amount of time that I spend on it. Did you use session volume profile? I still use it, brother. Let me see. There, right here, look. Check it out, man. I have multiple tabs. This is my session volume profile tab. I look at all of my tabs. I go here, I go here, I go here. Sometimes a little bit over here. This is my long-term one. Look at this one. Oh yeah, daddy like this one. This is my 4-hour, like this is where I see all of the secrets of the market. Just because what I show on stream, you know, doesn't mean that's the end all be all, you know what I mean? I'm not going to show you that hidden tab. There's way too much alpha, man. This stream is free. Good morning, Rips from Antarctica. How? What are you doing? How? They have internet up there? How? Wait, Richard Harris probably doesn't even think Antarctica exists. Let's have a talk about this. Starlink? I don't think they allow satellites over Antarctica. That's where the ice wall is. They have steps from Antarctica up to the firmament. You know that, right? Richard Harris, chime in here anytime. Make me do this all on my own. See? Richard Harris says it does not exist as we know it. So where's this person right now? They're in the ether with the lizard people. The lizard people. What's up, Delaniac? Morning, boss. You looking for more correction up of the price or a massive sell-off? Remembering there's FOMC 2 p.m. It's the FOMC meeting minutes. It's not the FOMC. Meeting minutes. Meeting minutes. No bias for today. Especially after this kerfuffleation here. We can go either way. I'll try to ride the lightning in like James Hetfield did back in the day. Have you ever have any guests on your show? I've had Dakota on in the past. I've had Brett Simba on. I think that's it. Dakota and Brett Simba. That's it. That's it, man. Tradeify allowed to trade high impact news? I think so. I don't think they have any restrictions on news. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure there's no news trading rules with Tradeify, right? Somebody help me. I need an adult help. I'm almost positive. Yeah, there you go. No news rules with Tradeify. No laws when you're drinking the clouds, baby. No laws when you're drinking the clouds. It's still just chopping around. 905 predictions are going to be paying out here in less than a minute. It could be a photo finish. We're looking for 680. Oh, it's going to be a photo finish. Let's see. It's getting real tight like. S&Ps are showing some weakness, but Microsoft refuses to break down below 490. Refuses. Nvidia's been walking up all pre-market. Any sellers in the chat? Where's my people? All right, it's gonna be a photo finish, folks. We could get somebody. No, it's not gonna be a photo finish. I don't think the belows are gonna win this one. Yeah, I know. Everybody's messaging me. Apex's website is down. I know. I'm aware. Run the biggest sale of the year and don't have your website working. Fabulous. Oh my God. SW. Delete that poll and run it again. I'm gonna delete it. There we go. Run it again, dude. Okay, there we go. 905, the unders. Check your typing before you send it out next time. All right, we're gonna do 9:45. This is gonna be the big one. I'm gonna give you 10 minutes to put this in. 9:45. This is gonna be a big one. 10 minutes. This is probably gonna be the biggest gamble of the day right here. 24,650 by 9:45. Yeah, the firms that I'd recommend are the ones that are scrolling along my stream. I've had interactions with all of them. TPT, Funding Ticks, Apex, Tradeify. Obviously you saw how much I love Tradeify as of this morning. Easy peasy, baby. Yeah, how are you from England and you can't even speak English, dog? Been seeing posts about this being the drop before the Santa rally. No, man. It's the same people that are writing like SPX. It's impossible for it to go down again today. You know? There we go. There we go. That's better. Because you put pain mentoring. Yeah. Where's the store where you can trade channel points on Kick? Click those little bubbles where it says send message. There's like a little bubble thing right there. You can click that. You can see the current gambling bet and you can see how many points you have. Next to that little bubble, it's going to show you the number of points that you have. Antarctica is the first ring. There's 3 rings. Our planet is basically an island in a pond, and there's an ice wall with 3 gates that lead you to the outer lands. What is out there? Is it Mordor? I'm curious. What's actually outside of the gates? Is it Mordor? And why isn't it? Where's my thing? I mean, they're still selling this thing. Microsoft is really the key here. If Microsoft can sweep down low, then I feel like the market can continue to sweep down low. It's really up to Microsoft to make up its mind, truthfully. Many more lands? Are there like, what type of people are out there? Are there giants? Are there centaurs? Are there minotaurs? Are there people who use Tor browser? The Grays? Ah. So September durable goods are coming out November 26th. That's so funny, this data. That's all like super lagging. You know what I mean? It's actually pretty funny. So we're trying to hit those lows that we hit earlier right now. And S&Ps are far lower than they were before. So there's probably some stops below 640, I would think. Maybe we go down to the previous 4-hour mid. 66.40 would be a line in the sand, I think. So it's just slowly rolling down here. It's actually starting to pick up a little bit of speed, but there's a lot of people buying it as we are coming lower. Microsoft really needs to break below 490 for this to start. Let me see. 491. 491. $66.45, kind of that area of price that's holding things up right now. Microsoft trying to break through 492 now. Rain don't stop. It still looks heavy, but I can see this thing just snapping a reversal real quick too. See on these bounces here. A lot of liquidity there at 30. You can see it. Are they going to break through these 30s? 44, kind of this little line in the sand here. So back to 45. Is it rain don't stop or grain don't stop? So 45s were defended there. You can see that. 45s were heavily defended there. We're going to face check these 30s again and probably blast right through them. Let's see. See if they have enough to push through this. Like they want to, but then like the liquidity stops right there. The rain does stop. Let's see. Through those 25s maybe. They got to defend below 30 here. Back at those 30s. We're going to see some more liquidity entering right around 915 as well. It's right here at the previous week low and previous 4-hour mid is kind of what we're dealing with. This little bout of liquidity. So let's see if we can smash through 30s again. I think that will be the forceful push, but it's kind of holding right here at 66.44. Let's see. Right at those 30s. What a great song, too. So it's testing this liquidity between 50 and 30. And it's seeing how many sellers are still present here. Watching here at 35 again. Straight through, testing 30s once more. Watching here. 30s again. If it snaps those 30s, boy howdy. A little defense into those 40s, watching. Through those 30s are a big surprise for these buyers. So watching here. Yeah, there's still just somebody underneath 30s collecting these bids. Don't like that person. There you go. There's that little slam. Nice. Still at 30. You can see they're finessing it a little bit, but just not enough yet. That 30 is still being protected. And we're coming close to 915 here. And 42 is like a huge wall. So let's see if we could break through that wall. If we could break through that 42 wall in S&Ps, we get Boomtown. They're testing it again. Testing. They just need to slam this player at 30. There he is again. They're starting, dude, you can see overhead supply coming in. They're trying to like cover into it, but they just need somebody to like forcefully push this 42 player. Super annoying. Push it. Just push it. God. Mega annoying. Push that 42. Just push that 42. That's all we need. Just push that 42. There you go. A little bit more. Nice. All right. Take that off there. I was covering into that guy that was overhead supply right there. Beautiful. So about 20 G's now. I'm covering into this player right here because it makes the most sense. Like if liquidity's offered to me like that, like I'm gonna take it, you know? Like I'm not gonna sit there and be like, oh, well, I'm smarter than this fucking idiot, right? I'm gonna take, when they're offering that to me, I'm out, right? That's the difference between trading real markets and not. Like when you're in a position and you want to get out, you have to have exit liquidity. And when that player is stacking like that, I'm going to use that person. I'm going to exploit that person. Even if we drop 100 more handles, I'm not trading that because we got to wait for the open now. Right? Oh, snap. Our balance is leet right now. We actually have a leet balance. Literally, look at that. There's your 915 lick, by the way. Our balance is 1337. It's elite speak, baby. Our balance is elite. Thanks, Richard. What are the size of the circles represent bookmap? The size of the trades happening at that area of price. Headshot. We're still having trouble cracking 42. And again, I think we might, but it's just like, I'm not like, I don't want to stick around, be caught in a position. I don't know what the market's going to see these little flicks, the flick of the wrist here. I'm not going to sit there and wait when the market is about to open. You have to respect that shit. You have to respect it. So $19,000, 890, 19,890. We'll call it 20K on the day so far. I know I always say I don't really want to trade, but you know. All right, 9:15. Let's see if we got enough likes to hang out on YouTube here. Once again, we did some trades for you folks on YouTube. 115 likes. All right, cool. Message.